Melissa here, bringing you more VIP magic, and the magic today is Lighthouse Point. We have a private cabana and it's on the Family Beach, and I'm going to show you how to get there. And so we're going to go over this beautiful Lighthouse Point bridge, which you all know. You've probably seen my video of me timing it. It takes about 10 minutes to walk across. The beautiful Disney Dream is behind me, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to know to check in for your family cabana when you book your next Disney cruise with Melissa VIP Magic. So here's all of the steps we are taking. Let's get across the bridge and let's get to cabana number 7. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissavipmagic.com. Book with a Disney expert so you don't miss a thing. Like and subscribe. Click that bell for notifications to follow all my Disney travels around the world. Don't try to do this all on your own, guys. Use a travel professional. It's no additional charge, and I do this all day, every day. So come with me and let's go find this cabana. My guests often ask me to give them tips about special access across the bridge because it is very long. So yes, we do have access. I can help you with that and let you know where you need to go if you need special assistance to get over the bridge. No problem at all. We have that for you. And here we see wagons. So yes, we do have wagons for kiddos that parents want to take them across. So, yep, there we go. Lots of wagons. And we have golf carts. Here's a camera spot. Halfway across, there's a camera spot and a little bit of shade if you want to get a beautiful shot of the beautiful Disney Dream. We also have water here if you need to stop and get water, so no problem. And there's our accessible vehicle, which is very nice, helping our guests get across that don't want to walk. And here come our other vehicles, helping our guests that need assistance get across the bridge. Very nice, thank you, Disney. Now the private cabanas are straight ahead. I'm going to point with my other camera. They're right over there. So we'll come across the bridge and then end up over there. We're almost to the end, and right here on the left, I'm going to point again with my other camera right over there, is where you will do your excursions, your water excursions. If we've booked any of those for you, I can assist with your concierge wish list, so I send that in for you. Imagine that. You don't have to do it on your own. Very nice. Okay, we have made it across the bridge, and now I see Lookout Cay at Lighthouse Point ahead of me. So we're going to go through security, we're going to scan our bands, and then I'll show you exactly where to go to get to our cabana. Okay, so we are through. And then we are going to, ooh, a new directory sign. Look at that. I haven't seen that before. So that's awesome. We are going to come this way. So right here on the left, it says Mabrika Cove Cabana Check-In and your bicycle rentals. So let's see what we need to do here. So now new to me is that if you want to get any of your snorkel gear, you can get it right here at the check-in. So you just come walk back up and you can get your fins, you can get your snorkel gear and all of that. So very nice. Your snorkel gear is right back here ready to go. All right. So we can pick up a golf cart here if we want, or we can just walk. I think I'm going to just walk. Here's cabana number 1. Finally, number 7. I also like number 7 because it has the bathroom and the bar right here, but we don't have to worry about it because we just push the button if we need a cabana. Now look at this, Giles family. Awesome! I love it. I hope you enjoyed the tour of how to get from the ship to your Mabrika Cove cabana. And for your next Disney Cruise Line vacation, contact me, Melissa VIP Magic. I am a travel advisor. There's no additional charge to use me as your travel advisor. Don't try to do it on your own. Book with an expert. I do it all day, every day. And you contact me at melissavipmagic.com. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. Like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications to follow all my Disney travels around the world. It would be my pleasure to serve your family. See you real soon.